In this video, I'm going to show you 3 must-use SEO monitoring tools for your website. Find the bot links in the video description. View the full example files from this video on the bot pages. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. Tool 1, Uptime Monitoring Bot. This bot will send you an alert if your site is down. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Open the Uptime Monitoring Bots page. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste your website. Set monitoring frequency. For example, every hour. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot will monitor website uptime and send you notifications as often as scheduled. Tool 2, Response Code Bulk Checker. This tool will return status codes for up to 5,000 pages. Paste 1 or more website pages. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot has returned the status codes of our target pages. Tool 3, Brand and Keyword Monitor. This online tool will monitor brand mentions on the web. Paste your brand, for example, Volkswagen. Set monitoring frequency, for example, every hour. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot will monitor brand mentions automatically and send you notifications as often as scheduled. Sign up on Botster and use these smart SEO monitoring tools. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.